Okay. For our next question, we are going to look at the energy consumed over a period of time. So write the question down. An 80-watt fan is used for 4 hours daily. An 80-watt fan is used for 4 hours daily. Calculate the energy consumed in watts hour and then in kilowatt hour per day. So out of the 24 hours, the person uses the fan for 4 hours. So we have to calculate the energy he has consumed. The first unit is to calculate in what? Watt hour. And the next one is to calculate in kilowatt hour. So let's see. So let's first write out the parameters. So for the parameters, what do we have? What are the values we have in the question? You've been given the power of the fan. What is the power of the fan?
80 watts.
80 watts. And how long did he use the fan? That is the time.
4 hours.
How many? 4
hours.
4 hours. So let's put these values into the formula. So for this time around, we are looking at energy consumed or power consumption. So if you look at this question, you have been asked to calculate the energy consumption in watt hour and kilowatt hour. So energy consumption, energy consumed, let me shorten it this way, is equal to the power. What is the power?
80 watts.
80 watts. Times, what's the time?
4 hours.
4 hours. So 80 times 4, what will be the answer? That is 8 times 4. 8 times 4? 32. So 32. Then we add this 0. 8 times 4 is 32 plus the 0. We add the 0 to the end of it. So we bring the unit together like this. So the energy consumed is 320 watt-hour. Now we have to convert this into what? Kilowatt-hour. So that's the first part of the question. The first part of the question is to calculate it in what? Watt-hour. So that means this is the energy the person consumes every single day for using the fan for just 4 hours in a day. Exactly. So when he uses the fan for 4 hours in the whole day, his energy consumption is 320 watts every hour for that day. Now we have to calculate the energy consumed in kilowatt hour. So this is the A part of the question. The A part of the question. 320 watt hour. What about the B? Now take note of this. When converting from watt hour to kilowatt hour, you divide by 1000. Exactly. So that's the B. When converting from what? Watt hour to kilowatt hour, just divide this answer by what? By 1000. So what will be the answer? 320 watt hour divided by 1000.
I think 0.3.
$320 divided by what? 1000. That gives us what? 0.32. 0.32 kilowatt hour. I hope that's clear. 0.32 kilowatt hour. Next question. A 25 watt LED light. A 25, so write out the parameters down. A 25 watt LED light bulb operates for 8 hours on a daily basis. A 25 watt LED bulb operates for 8 hours on a daily basis. Find power consumption in watt hour and kilowatt hour per month. Per month. Have you written the question?
Just read the parameters.
Okay. So the LED has 25 watts as its power, and it's being used for 8 hours every single day. So now at the end of the month, what will be the power consumption or energy consumption of the bulb? So let's get to business. So let's write power consumption or energy consumption. Power consumption. What's the formula? Power consumption.
If the
Power usage.
power time is times the time.
So the power usage. Okay, let me do it this way. According to the question that we have, what is the power usage of the bulb? Is it a bulb?
25.
Is it a bulb fan?
The light.
Okay, LED light bulb. What's the power usage?
25 watts.
25 watts. What is the time?
8 hours.
8 hours every single day. Every single day. So 25 times 8. 25 times 8. What's the answer for 25 times 8? $200. So this will give us 200 watts hour. But look at this. This is the power consumption per day. But how long are we to find the power consumption? We have to find it for 1 month. How long he uses the power consumed in 1 month. And when we are asked to calculate the power consumed in 1 month, for this question, we are assuming the 1 month is 30 days. I hope that's clear. For 1 month, we are taking an average of the days to 30 days. So if this is a single day, then 1 month will be 200 watt hour times what? 30 days. Exactly. Mind you, this power consumption is the power consumed 8 hours per day. So this is the number of the watt for 8 hours. It gives us 200 watt hour. So for 1 month, it will be 200 watt hour times what?
30 days.
Times 30 days. So what does that give us? 200 times 30. So 2 times 3 is what? 6. Then we add these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 3,000 watt hour for 1 month. So by the end of 1 month, the person ends up using 6,000 watt hour per month. Per month. Now, if you are to convert this 6,000 watt hour per month to kilowatt hour, what would the answer be? Convert 6,000 watt hour to kilowatt hour. What would the answer be? What would the answer be? 6. So the answer will be 6. So how do we convert? So power consumed Can't write this long thing. So value in kilowatt hour will be 6,000 divided by what? 1,000. That gives us 6 kilowatt hour. I hope that's clear. Right done. Now solve this. A 1,700 watt electric kettle runs for 1 hour daily. A 1,700 watt electric kettle runs for 1 hour daily. Calculate the energy consumed in watt hour and kilowatt hour. Calculate the energy consumed in watt hour and kilowatt hour. What do you get?
I know 1,700 for watt hour.
Yes, kilowatt hour is 1.7.
Wait, the power is 1,700. What is the number of hours? 1 hour per day. You have to calculate the energy consumed in watt hour and kilowatt hour in 1 year. In 1 year, the number of days in 1 year is 365 days. Our time is up. Our time is almost up. Yeah. Just 5 minutes left. Barely 5 minutes. So we take some of the topics we've already done. Exactly. And I know that naming binary compounds, you don't remember. You remember? Okay, that's good. Naming how to find oxidation states. Now they don't remember. So I don't have to go over again, right? I'm not the only one in the class, right? Sorry, he's not the only one in the class. So Magdalene, talk for yourself. So should we go over these lessons again? Because we'll find time in the course of next week or next 2 weeks, I'll take my time and prepare comprehensive field for all the Form 3 topics. Pray that I have the time. If I'm able to do that, we will find some time like 3 sessions or 5 sessions, sit down, start from the beginning all the way to the end. I hope that's clear.